Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my another video. I am Jubaid Hassan Rabbi, and today's video I am going to show you how to draw a pipe, hollow pipe in Solidwork. Okay, here the pipe I am drawing, but I will be draw it again. So what should I do now? First I need to take a new surface plan. Here you can see, and here you can see the unit. First you need to take unit from here, in which unit you want to draw your pipe. I take here inch, pound and second. Okay, now for drawing, at first you need to take top line. Okay, for drawing a pipe you need to take a top line here first, then go to sketch, select line. Okay, and you can give any kind of dia for your pipe, just and you can see here a yellow line. The yellow color means your line is straight or not. This yellow color says that your line is straight, 90-degree angle. Okay, and here, then here, then here. Okay, I will not give any kind of dimension. If you want, then go to smart dimension and give this dimension here 6, and for this dimension also 6, and for this dimension is also 6. Okay, then save it, and also save it from here. Now I'll take front plane. Okay, I am taking here front plane, but it's not showing. Then control. Okay, then press control 7, then here it look like, okay, it will look like this. Then I will draw here a circle. So take circle from here and draw it here. There is a orange, there is a orange point is shown. Your circle is the middle point of that line. Okay, so here's my circle. You can here, if you want to give the dia of this circle, you can give here use 2. Okay, I give here 2. Now here you can see two portions. First one is for save, and that one is close. Its close means it will delete it. All the drawing will be deleted. So save it first. Then I need to give a shape of it. First go there and take swift pause space. Okay, swift pause space, this command, and press it here. Okay, our pipe is ready. You can see now here is our pipe. Okay, then now if you want to draw here a circle, then go to here again a sketch and take a circle and select this plane and take it from here, this circle. Our main circle that dia was 2, and I am giving this one is 1.5. 0.5 will be our hollow. Okay, then save it. Now I will go here and select sweep cut. Okay, you can see sweep cut. So select sweep cut. Okay, select it and go to here. Okay, here, and go to here. Then our direction line will be sketch 1. Select it and select sketch 2, then press OK. Now you can see our hollow is here. You can see now, yes, it is our hollow. So if you want to color it, then we can see it better. So here is our hollow. you want to color your body, then click body part. If you want to this color, and if you want to okay. So that's all about and save it. Just save this color. So that's all about this video. So if you like it, then please subscribe my channel and like my video. So thank you all to being